Some animals should have disappeared millions of years ago, but they are still alive today. Like this video and subscribe for more incredible wildlife stories. Let's begin. Horseshoe crab. It has survived on Earth for more than 450 million years. That means it was already crawling across the ocean floor long before the first dinosaurs appeared. Despite its name, the horseshoe crab is not a true crab, but is more closely related to spiders and scorpions. Its hard shell protects it from predators, while its long tail helps it flip itself over if it gets stuck upside down. Even more surprising, its bright blue blood is used by scientists to test the safety of vaccines and medical equipment. This incredible survivor remains one of the oldest living animals on our planet, coelacanth. For decades, scientists believed this mysterious fish had vanished forever. Then, in 1938, a living coelacanth was unexpectedly caught off the coast of South Africa, rewriting one of biology's greatest mysteries. It spends its life hundreds of meters below the ocean surface where sunlight barely reaches. Unlike most fish, it moves its thick, fleshy fins in a pattern that resembles the walking motion of four-legged animals. Researchers believe these unusual fins may offer clues to how the first vertebrates eventually left the water and conquered the land. Its secretive lifestyle has helped it remain almost unchanged while countless other species disappeared. Nautilus. Hidden deep beneath the ocean, this strange creature carries its home wherever it goes. Its beautiful spiral shell is divided into dozens of tiny chambers that fill with gas or water, allowing it to rise or sink without wasting much energy. Unlike modern squid and octopuses, the nautilus still keeps the external shell that its ancient relatives once shared. It searches for crabs, shrimp, and dead animals under the cover of darkness, guided by nearly 100 sensitive tentacles instead of powerful eyesight. This remarkable design has remained successful for hundreds of millions of years, proving that sometimes evolution gets it right the first time. Tuatara. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary lizard, but appearances can be deceiving. The Tuatara belongs to a completely different lineage with no close living relatives anywhere on Earth. One of its strangest features is a light-sensitive third eye on top of its head, visible when it is young and hidden beneath scales as it grows older. Its slow metabolism allows it to stay active in temperatures that would leave most reptiles unable to move. It can live for more than a century, and some individuals continue reproducing well into old age. This extraordinary reptile is the last surviving representative of a branch of life that has almost completely vanished. Platypus. When the first platypus specimen reached Europe, many experts thought it was a fake stitched together from different animals. With the bill of a duck, the tail of a beaver, and the feet of an otter, it seemed too strange to be real. Beneath the water, it closes its eyes, ears, and nostrils, relying on tiny electrical signals produced by the muscles of nearby prey. This remarkable sense allows it to locate insects, worms, and freshwater shrimp even in complete darkness. Males also carry venomous spurs on their hind legs, making the platypus one of the very few mammals capable of delivering venom. Australian lungfish. Imagine a fish that can breathe air just as naturally as it breathes underwater. The Australian lungfish rises to the surface, filling a true lung with oxygen before slowly disappearing beneath the water again. Its broad, paddle-like fins move with surprising control, offering scientists a glimpse of the body plan that eventually gave rise to the first land-dwelling vertebrates. Unlike most fish, it can survive in warm, oxygen-poor rivers where many other species would struggle. Every graceful movement of this remarkable animal preserves a chapter of evolution that is still swimming through Australia's freshwater today. Triops. A dry, cracked puddle may seem completely lifeless until the rain returns. Hidden beneath the mud, tiny eggs can remain dormant for decades, waiting for just the right conditions to hatch. Within only a few days, triops grow into fierce little hunters, feeding on insects, worms, tadpoles, and even members of their own species. Their shield-shaped bodies and long tail give them an appearance that has changed remarkably little across countless generations. By producing eggs before temporary pools disappear again, these remarkable creatures turn one of nature's harshest environments into the perfect place to survive. Bashir. At first glance, the Bashir seems to belong in a prehistoric swamp rather than a modern river. Instead of relying only on gills, it regularly surfaces to gulp air into a pair of primitive lungs, allowing it to thrive where oxygen levels are extremely low. Strong, muscular fins help it push itself across muddy ground when searching for new pools after heavy rains. Its body is protected by thick, diamond-shaped scales that resemble natural armor, offering protection against predators. Watching a Bashir crawl and breathe today feels like catching a rare glimpse of an ancient survival strategy that has endured through Earth's changing ages. Sturgeon. Few freshwater giants command as much respect as the sturgeon. Its long snout sweeps across the riverbed while sensitive whisker-like barbels search for hidden prey buried beneath the sand. Instead of tearing with sharp teeth, it extends a powerful tube-shaped mouth to vacuum up fish, shellfish, and insects in a single motion. Rows of hard bony plates cover its body like medieval armor, protecting a fish built for endurance rather than speed. Some sturgeons can live for well over a century, quietly traveling enormous rivers year after year while carrying one of the oldest body designs still found in the water today. If these incredible survivors amazed you, which one surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife stories and amazing creatures from around the world.